What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a quick and easy Dollar Tree Christmas ornament. And for this DIY, you're gonna need some silver plated plastic, I should say, napkin rings that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Some of that garland, just that wrap garland, fake garland stuff from the Dollar Tree, fake snow, booyah, from the Dollar Tree, and one of their clear globes from the Dollar Tree. Ornaments, I should say. I said globe. But anyway, these usually come two to a pack, so you're gonna be getting that for 50 cents, okay? And you're gonna need hot glue and wire cutters. So y'all, let's begin. Okay, guys, first things first, you're gonna take your garland. I have already cut this because they usually come longer than this, but I thought it'd be easier to work with what it already cut. And all you're gonna do, we're gonna make a cute little wreath. So the little wreath is gonna have to go into your ornament, so don't make it too big, but yet you still wanna make it big enough so it's presentable. So I'm just gonna measure it like that. You can't really see with all that fluff. And then I'm going to cut it. Now at this point, you could either trim all this, but I'm going to choose to wait to just make sure I don't cut off too much. But you're not going to need all this little extra fluff enough. So then you're going to take your wire cutters. I do believe they got wire cutters in the garden department at Dollar Tree, but you're going to need some strong wire cutters, guys. So I don't know if they're going to actually do what you need it to do, but they do have wire cutters at Dollar Tree. So then you have your little piece that you have cut, and then you're just gonna tie it. I know y'all probably can't see it, but bring the two ends together and twist it. Now be careful, because that what it is wire, y'all, and it's hard, okay? So be careful. So then once you got your circle formed, then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to just trim your edges. Now, that's going to be too big of a mess in this little area, but just trim to your liking, guys. Just cut, 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 cut until you get to a point where you are happy with. Here's a cute little wreath. Okay, here's my wreath, all nice and trim. Y'all already know it's already cute, okay? It's already cute. So then you take your ribbon, or however you choose to decorate your wreath. I took some scrap ribbon that I've already used and formulated this bow, which, trust and believe, it is. I just did a bow shape, and then I put that bad boy right here to make it look like a goddamn bow, but y'all, make it do what it do. And so then you're gonna put it, hot glue it, your whatever decoration you're gonna choose for your ornament, and make sure you keep in mind you're gonna have to push this through the hole. So don't make it too extreme that you're not gonna be able to collapse your wreath, I should say. Can't talk this morning. And then I'm gonna just take another little scrap piece, and I'm going to use this as my hanger. So I'm going to glue these two pieces to my wreath, and then I'll be right back, guys. How simple is that? Okay, guys, this is my finished little cute wreath. Oh my god, y'all, I think it's so adorable. So next, we're going to have to collapse the wreath in order for it to get through the freaking hole. Be very careful, guys, but your design should stay intact. But just squeeze it enough that you can actually get it in this hole. Okay, guys? I think I'm going to add my fake snow first, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I just did like a funnel to add my fake snow, a piece of paper, what have you. You already know me and this fake snow really still ain't friends. So I pray to God it don't act too much of a fool. So let's all pray, Because you already know, man. It already seemed like it's gonna act a fool, guys. Oh my Jesus. It just come out because it want to come out, Lord. I wasn't ready. Oh my God. At least it went down the hole. That bad boy just started coming out, guys. I wouldn't even. Oh God, now I don't want to stop, Father. Come on now. Oh, come on now. Oh God, it's good. Because I didn't want that much snow. Y'all see it? Maybe a tad bit more. Oh Lord. There you go. Can y'all see it? Because I promise y'all can't see it. Y'all just assume it. Oh God, Lord. Stop it again. Woo! Stop. This will have a mind of its own. I promise you. Don't you fall again. So here you go. I got my fake snow. Now I'm going to insert the wreath. Please work, cause I don't know. You already know this freestyling, right? The problem is of me actually making it back puffy. Lord, how that's gonna work? How is that gonna work? Okay, y'all, let me brainstorm. But y'all see that smashed up wreath is inside. Hold up. Keep it 100. I need to change my channel to Keep It 100 DIYs. Because, baby, let me tell y'all, that squeezing thing did not work, okay? Did not work. So what I had to do was get this X-Acto knife, go down the seam. It's a line already on your ornament. And I had to slice it, guys. I'm sorry, I had to slice it. But we could hopefully fix that at the end. But for now, there was no way I could squeeze it and redo whatever. Now, I think if you make your wreath smaller, you can get away with it. But I didn't want to change the size of my wreath. So all I'm going to do is now squeeze that bad boy in this way. So I don't want to come up here and be like, it's magically in. No, it ain't. Now, this is going to be another issue. But hey, y'all, at least it's maintaining its shape this time. Okay, now since it's in, I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, now that it's in, get in. Now I'm going to take this. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, too. I use these in a lot of my projects. I don't even know what the heck they are. I think there's some type of, I'm not finna lie to you guys. But you're gonna just take it while you can get your freaking wreath to come get that, the part that you hold up, this part. So I'm gonna maneuver it, but that's what I'm using. And then I'll be right back because Lord only knows how long it's gonna take. But that's how I'm getting it to the top. Okay, guys. Whoa. I actually got it in, guys. I think I just showed you this part. I'm really not sure. So now I have got it back up. And now I'm going to just glue this to this top, guys. Can't do this on film. But I just wanted to show you guys. I'm going to glue that to the top. And I'll be right back. Y'all, I finally got the goddamn wreath in this bad boy, positioned it right, glued it at the top, and closed it. Can I just let y'all know this was supposed to be a 1, 2, 3 easy DIY. This is the hardest DIY I've ever did in my entire life, guys. So I'm going to finish it out, but I'm letting y'all know right now, if y'all want to do this, y'all might want to all the way think about it. But I'm gonna keep the video going. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna just let y'all know I'm not doing this again. This gonna be the only one that's getting done. Because this bad boy ain't supposed to be this hard. Okay? It ain't supposed to be this hard. But I just want to keep it real with y'all. This mug is hard. So if y'all want to do it, go right ahead. But I'm letting y'all know. Just watch the video and say, you know what? Kenya did that. And call it a DIY. So let's go to our next step, guys. Okay, guys. The next step is to take one of your silver plastic napkin ring. Because it's going to be our stand. and we're gonna place it underneath our ornament like that. Cause it is a snow globe, guys. So I wanted it to have a base, and then you hang it on your tree, or you can just plop it. Can y'all see that? Plop it down. Woo! See, God. See, that's what I'm talking about. Or you could just have it, stand. And I thought that was real cute. Y'all, I had so much trouble with the doggone wreath. I forgot what the heck the whole DIY was supposed to be. Because I sure was about to take this snow out. But anyway, so it's going to be our snow globe. And you already know, all we're going to do is hot glue the base to this. Y'all might want to add something on top so it can maybe glue better. Yeah, let's do that. And then I'll be right back. And there you have it, guys. 400 years later, the finished product. Y'all, I'm lost of words. Do I think it's cute? You already know I do. Do I think it's worth it? I'm gonna say H to the now, okay? Y'all might want to try a different item. Don't use something that's small enough that you can probably glue without having to tear up your ornament. But even the crack to me is not that disturbing. I could easily put like a ribbon or no camouflage there. I'm not worried about it. And I'm so past done with this this DIY. I'm not even finna fix it. But y'all don't even have to cut y'all. Y'all can just find a more a simple, smaller item to place within your ornament. Still have the same effect with your snow globe effect by gluing the what you call it, the the napkin ring to it, and it's still, add your snow, whatever. So make your life easier and don't add no wreath that big. Okay, there's just too much complications. But overall, I'm glad it do turn out cute, and I'm gonna cherish this ornament probably for the rest of my life. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Sunday. Lord, bless this whole ornament.